how to set a time and date in Windows 11 PC. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So guys, let's get started. Now, to set time and date on your laptop or desktop, first step, you need to click on your start icon, then come up here and click on settings. Then on your settings window, go to your left hand panel and select time and language. Under time and language settings, click on date and time. It's the first option up here. If your set time automatically stand on, make sure it's turned off by clicking on this button right here. Then scroll down to set the date and time manually and click on change. Then on this window, start by changing the date. Start with selecting the month, date and year. So after that, come down here for time and select time, minutes. Then here you can choose if the time is PM or AM. So once you're done, just click on change and your time will be set according to what you have selected. So guys, that's how you can set time and date in Windows 11 PC. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.